Standing by the highway with a sign that just read mother, when he heard a driver coming about a half a mile away. So he held the sign up higher so no decent soul could miss it. It was 10 degrees and colder down by Boulder Dam that day. He was raised up in Milwaukee, though he never was that famous. He was just a road musician, to the taverns he did go, singing songs about the rambling, about loving girls and gambling, how the world fell on his shoulders back in Boulder, I don't know. Well, it was out in Arizona that he heard the ladies listening to each song that he was singing, to each line that he would write. So he sat down by the table and they talked about the weather, 98.6 and rising down by Boulder Dam that day. And she told him she would take him for a ride in the morning sun. Back in Boulder, he had told her, I don't know when I've had a better friend. Now he's traded off his Martin, but his troubles are not over. His feet are nearly frozen and the sun is sinking low. Won't you listen to me, brother? If you've ever loved your mother, just pull off on the shoulder if you're going Milwaukee way. It's 10 degrees and getting colder down by Boulder Dam today.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've ever seen the Blue Dogs play, you know that sometimes you can't tell who's going to show up. We always have a good time.
Very good bet.
We have a bunch of different people that play with us, and one of them is from right here in Charleston. He's an excellent mandolin player. He also plays guitar and sings. We're going to bring him out here on Mandolin Night. Y'all please welcome Mr. Bob Sachs.
Big Bad Bob.